Let's do the cabled cast on. I've got my yarn here with a short yarn tail and the longer end for the working yarn coming off this side. To make a slip knot, I'm going to twist that end. I'm going to reach through the bit I twisted, and I'm just going to grab the working yarn and pull it through. That way I've got a knot that likes to slip and makes a loop of variable size. I'm going to place the slip knot on my left needle tip with the working yarn coming to the back. We need 2 stitches on our needle to do the cable cast on method, so the first stitch is always a little different. In fact, we're going to do the knitted cast on, which looks like this. We go through the stitch on the left needle, we grab the yarn on our right needle tip, we bring it through, and then we wind it up and place it on the left needle tip, and then we tighten it. Then we have 2 stitches, and now we can do the cable cast on. So rather than going through the loop that's next on the needle tip, that would be the knitted cast on, we're actually going to go between the 2 loops. So by going between those 2 loops, we are going to do a slightly different cast on, and one of the nice things about it is it forces space between the stitches always, and so it's a little difficult, if not impossible, to make the cable cast on really, really tight. So we've grabbed our loop, we're coming through, we're going up and over. To save time, rather than tightening and then inserting our right needle tip, we can insert the needle tip, tighten, and then pull the yarn through, create the next stitch, place it on, tighten, pull the yarn through, place it. If you are a thrower rather than a picker, or English knitter rather than continental, depending on the terminology you use, that would look more like this. You've got the right needle tip between, yarn up and over, bring it through, up and over, through, tighten it a bit if needed, up and over. And as I said, because the right needle tip is always between the last 2 stitches you've created, as you tighten it, this cast on is always a little bit tighter or looser for me than a knitted cast on. It is a really nice stable bottom for a cast on, and it's pretty straightforward as long as you're using your dominant knitting style, which I was not just then. And that is the cable cast on. Hope that helps. Happy knitting!